Morning. Beautiful Saturday morning, about 9 o'clock. Welcome to this beautiful day. We are around town fit this morning. We are outside on a walking track. We're going to walk a couple laps and we're going to run about 4 laps. Then we're going to do a little bit of what I like to call cardio with weights. A little routine I got from Vince Del Monte. He's on the internet as well. I like to pick up some routines, try to execute them. If you've done this routine before, it'll kick your butt. If you're not into cardio, do this once a week. You ain't gonna need no cardio. It's a wonderful routine. We're out here at this walking track. Beautiful day. Fixing to run about a mile. Wanted to get outside, do an outside little take on things. Round Town Fit to me is you can work out anywhere, anytime. A little bit of weights, lots of weights, no weights. Make do with what you got. No matter who you are, you can do anything. You just want to walk around the track, call it a day. Walk around the track. Whatever gets your body moving, body in motion stays in motion. We're gonna finish up this first lap. Been out here a few minutes. And then we're gonna pause it up and we'll run about a mile. It's about 4 laps around this sucker. Get good and warmed up. Then record a little bit of cardio with weights to see what I'm talking about. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday morning. Beautiful day out here, guys. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. It's getting warm quick out here in Florida. Quick. If you're just stopping by, checking it out, if you like any of my videos, hit like. For your first time, hit subscribe. We'll see some upcoming stuff. A lot of good things coming. Always doing things outside somewhere, inside. A lot more videos to come. Stick around. Try to keep everybody happy. See what we can do. God bless y'all. We'll see you in just a minute.